Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about mining of nutrition ingredients input for disease analysis. Abstract: the rapid proliferation of internet technology and handheld device has opened upon a new avenues for an online healthcare system. There are exist instances where online medical help or healthcare advice is easier and faster to grab than a real world help. People often feel reluctant to go to hospital or physician or minor symptoms. However, in many cases, these minor symptoms may trigger a major health hazards. As online health advice is easier and reachable, it can be great heat start for an users. Disease prediction is a method which predicts the disease based on the symptoms in order to improve the medical attention gives to the patient. The process of identifying a disease, condition or injury from its sign and symptoms is known as diagnosis. Classical diagnosis method is a process where a patient has to visit a doctor and undergo various medical tests and then come to conclusion. This process is very time consuming and tedious. To save the time required and also money for initial process of diagnosis symptoms, this project proposes an automated system that release on the user input. The system takes input from the user and provides a list of probable disease. The purpose of this project is to predict the human disease using user inputted nutrition and health disease symptoms. By entering the human symptoms, machine learning algorithms can make the prediction with the help of a computer. In this project, we are using SVM and random forest supervised learning algorithm for predicting the human diseases. Random forest algorithm provides the better prediction accuracy when compared to other algorithms. This is our project flow diagram. Our process is going to start with data selection and loading. Here data selection and loading means we are going to select our data set based upon our process, and then we are going to load the data set. And the second module is a data pre-processing. Pre-processing means cleaning a data set, and then data splitting. Here we are going to split our data into training part and a testing part. Training part is to train our model, testing is for prediction purpose. And then classification. Classification means algorithm implementation. Here we have used two machine learning algorithm. One is random forest and another one is a support vector machine algorithm. And then prediction. Here we are going to predict the result, and then performance and analysis report generation. Here we are going to check the algorithm performances and result of our process. This is our project output. Our first module is data selection. Here is the output for our first module. Our data set is in format of a CSV, so we are going to read our data set using the pandas library. And then second module is data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means cleaning the data set. Here we are going to clean our data set by checking the null values. There is no null values in our data set. And then data splitting. Here we are going to split our data into x and y. X means independent variable, y means a dependent variable. That is, independent variable means features of the process, and dependent variable means a target. And then we are going to check the sample input for independent variable and the sample input for dependent variable. After that, we are going to split our data into training part and the testing part. First, we are going to check the original number of features. We have 5769 total features. In this, we are going to split our data into 4300 for training and 1443 for testing. Training part is to train our model, testing part is for prediction purpose. And then algorithm implementation. Here we have used random forest algorithm. This is the accuracy for random forest algorithm. And then this is the classification report. A classification report, you are going to find precision, recall and F1 score. Precision means total number of correct prediction. Recall means correct prediction at particular instance. F1 score means average of precision and recall. And then this is the confusion matrix. True positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. This is the heat map for that confusion matrix. And then we are going to see this algorithm, support vector machine algorithm. It gives the 61% of accuracy. And then we are going to check the classification report for SVM algorithm. As I already told, precision means total number of correct prediction, recall means instance of a prediction, and then this is the average of precision and recall. And then we are going to see the confusion matrix for support vector machine algorithm. True positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. These are the result we are going to see in confusion matrix. And then comparison graph between the accuracies of two algorithm. Random forest algorithm shows better accuracies than the SVM algorithm. At last, by giving the input, we are going to predict whether it is affected by disease or not. Thank you.